Hello guys, to my next video, and today we are going to learn how to transfer Minecraft worlds from iPad or iPhone to computer and then to another device. So you need Tongbu, and if you don't know what Tongbu is a free app downloader, and if you don't know how to download Tongbu, I have a tutorial on that. Please go watch that. So go to apps. You must have Minecraft on your both devices. Go to apps and then click on here, device, then apps again, and then search for Minecraft. Here's Minecraft. You must have these files right here. Wait, these files right here, yeah. Just click on them and then click on documents, games, Mojang, Minecraft worlds, and then I'm gonna download this world onto my iPhone. So I'm gonna wait, I'm going to remove this world. Wait. I'm going to move this world to my desktop like this. It's moving it. It moved it, I think. Yes, it moved it. Here's it. This is the Minecraft world. Now I'm going to unplug this from my iPad to my iPhone. It's gonna open iTunes. Just wait a moment, guys. Oh, and if you put a new device on Tongbu, just open it and click trust. Like this. Here's it. Click trust this computer like this. Then okay. Then open Tongbu like this. And then do the same thing. Go to apps again from here. Let's wait for it to open. Oh, it opened. So search for Minecraft again. Where is it? Oh, here is it. You do the same thing. Again, go to files, documents, games, Mojang, Minecraft worlds, and then this. So you can see your desktop like this, and then put this file, add it right here. Wait, I think just copy it. You can copy it too. It's doing it. And now here it is. So when you open Minecraft, just go out of Minecraft, close the application, Open it again. I didn't have that world. Now I have it. Okay guys, thank you. Subscribe, like.